Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn skill endorsements screenshot archive, complete guide step by step clearly. To back up your LinkedIn skill endorsements screenshot archive, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture. Scroll down to the skills and endorsements section. Take a moment to review your endorsements and identify the skills you want to back up. Open your preferred screenshot tool on your computer or device. Position your browser window so that the skills and endorsements section is fully visible. Capture a screenshot of the entire section. To ensure clarity, make sure the text is legible in the screenshot. Save the screenshot in a designated folder on your device, naming it clearly for easy retrieval. Repeat the screenshot process for any additional skills you wish to archive. Once you've captured all necessary screenshots, open your folder containing the saved images. Review each screenshot to ensure they are clear and complete. If any images are unclear, take new screenshots as needed. For further organization, consider creating subfolders for different skill categories. If you wish to share your screenshots, upload them to a cloud storage solution for easy access. Select a cloud storage service you trust, such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Upload your saved screenshots to the cloud storage. Create a backup on an external hard drive or USB drive for added security. Select all relevant screenshots and copy them to the external storage device. Confirm that all files have been successfully copied over. Consider making periodic updates to this archive as your skill endorsements grow. Regularly check your cloud and external storage to ensure your backups remain intact. With these steps, you will have successfully backed up your LinkedIn skill endorsements screenshot archive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.